Welcome to this tutorial video. Today we're taking a quick walkthrough of the Entity Setup tab in the GoodX Web App and why it matters for your practice. The Entity Setup tab is your go-to hub for linking treating practitioners, assistants, and users to a specific practice entity. You also manage your service subscriptions here. Super useful for keeping scheduling, billing, and reporting accurate and streamlined. Let's start by navigating to the Entity Setup screen. Simply click on the Settings button and select the Entity Setup tab. Here you will see the list of all the different types of user setups. Treating practitioners are the healthcare professionals your patients are actually consulting, whether it's a doctor, nurse, or hygienist. You can add and manage multiple treating practitioners in this tab to ensure the right provider is connected to each service. To learn how to add treating practitioners from this screen, please refer to the Adding a Treating Practitioner from the Settings screen user manual linked in this video's description. You can also add practitioners from the Practitioner List tab. For a step-by-step guide on how to do this, please refer to the How to Add a New Practitioner user manual linked in this video's description. Assistants are there to support treating doctors, whether during procedures in the practice or in theatre. Assistants can conduct physical exams, diagnose and treat illnesses, order and interpret tests, counsel on preventive healthcare, assist in surgery, and also write prescriptions. Adding them in the setup helps ensure accurate roles are assigned during scheduling and record keeping, especially for modifier codes. For a step-by-step guide on how to do this, please refer to the Assistant Setup user manual linked in this video's description. Next, we have User Setup. Each user in your practice can be uniquely set up with specific permissions based on their role, from admin staff to practitioners or billing clerks. User setup is essential for handling access management and tailoring the system to each individual. It also ensures POPIA compliance. Every user has their own unique login, ensuring a secure audit trail by keeping track of all actions taken by the user in the system. To learn how to assign and manage user access, please refer to the User Setup user manual linked in this video's description. Additionally, you can also configure and test things like SMS and email communications, as well as enable functionalities such as invoicing, claims and payments, and communication preferences like VoIP or fax. For more information on these services, please refer to the Service User Manual linked in this video's description. And that's your tour of the Entity Setup tab. This section helps align your team, tools, and services all under one roof.